Hello everyone, Paul here from Dusty Workbench. Thought I would just jump on quickly to give you an update about my channel. If you're a subscriber and you follow this channel over the years, you've noticed that there's been a little bit of a shift or change over the past year. And I've been kind of sort of flip-flopping on whether or not I continue with that format, or I should say that subject matter that I've been putting on, which is more of the wall art type of pieces that I've been creating using the CO2 laser that I have. And I kind of noticed that people that follow my channel are not really all that interested in it. So I've decided to take them all off the Dusty Workbench channel, created a new channel. So this channel, the current channel, the Dusty Workbench, I will continue doing woodworking. It's going to be mainly stuff that I make for myself or other friends, family, whatnot. I'm not going to really get into major projects, at least I don't think so, not in the near future anyways. But I did create a new channel for the art that I'm focusing on right now in regards to sort of trying to build my technique, my experience in that field. So I hope you come along for the journey there. I called it Dusty Workbench Art. I know, not very original, but I have to start somewhere. And I wanted to keep the Dusty Workbench brand. So yeah, Dusty Workbench Art. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in seeing my artwork journey as I go along in that side of things. I will continue again with this channel with tools and woodworking things that I make. So I hope you follow both channels. That'd be awesome. But if you really wanted to focus on one or the other, you know, do whatever you need to do. Fully understand. I really appreciate all the support that you've given me over the years here at Dusty Workbench. So I just wanted to give you a quick update of where things are at. And I do hope to see you at both channels. So I'll be making some new videos in the near future. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Take care.